The Honda Civic has been left alone and it's falling apart slowly. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna install some parts to bring this thing back to life. A couple parts that are really gonna help and probably improve the look on this Civic are these right here, right behind me. I got the spoiler, which I wrapped, if you saw in my shorts a little while ago. I got a grill, front grill emblem delete, and 2 lip kits, rear and front. And also another thing that might help improve the look on this Civic is cleaning these headlights. Things are nasty. They gotta go. They gotta go. So first and foremost, we're gonna start out with the front end and then we'll make our way back. Lights will be last if we get to them. One issue that we might have with the front lip is that this front bumper right here in this area is messed up. As you can see, it's cracked. We'll see if it covers it. If it covers it, I mean, I think it'll cover most of it except the crack where it spreads. But eventually I do want to fix that crack. Just use some plastic weld, Bondo and whatnot, and bring it back. So for right now, we're gonna put the lip on as is. Actually, now I'm looking at even more. This part might give some issues because this is where the lip's gotta go. So let's put it on, let's test fit it and see how it goes. These parts are nothing special. They are from eBay. They're cheap and inexpensive. If you're thinking of doing mods and you're just not wanting to put out the money like that, I would definitely recommend these parts from eBay. Except for the spoiler. The spoiler I got online. On OfferUp, I mean, or Facebook Market. Alright, so I got the front lip on and I got the grill on. And I mean, we're not where we want to be. So, I mean, it looks not too bad. It don't look too bad. We're not where we want to be. So, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. Now, one thing that I do want to try to do, but I really don't think there's no going back for this because this is just like, this is bad. Like, because I'm touching a fish. But what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try to sand these down and kind of give him some kind of life back in the meantime. They're pretty yellow. This one might have a chance of coming back. This one might not. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go and see how it goes. Alright you guys, I got the headlights polished as best as they're gonna get. Better than how they looked for sure. Yeah, I might just do the spoiler for now. It's lined up perfectly. It looks like it's not, but it is, only because there's a curve to the cars. But this is lined up perfectly. I measured it fine. Brakes, I still have the hole to make for the brake light, but I'm not gonna put that on just yet. Give my key back. Give my key. Ooh, I just washed her up, you guys. It really makes a difference on the paint. The paint's really good. This car did get painted prior, a couple years ago. It's been not too bad, but this is what we're looking like, all said and done. Like I said, the headlights, I know those are gonna go back to being yellow. I think they're just done, kind of like for the meantime. It's gonna be slowly but surely, but I think I know the direction. The direction I kind of want to go for this car is I want to make this show quality. I know. I want to make this show quality with the cheapest parts I can possibly get, or doing it the cheapest way, but doing a show quality to where this, one day I want to get this to be able to like get this entered into WECFest probably. And it's gonna just be like super cheap labor done by me. Done right though, mind you, it's gonna be done right. It might have cheap parts, but it will be done right. It will be put together right. So let's not get that confused. It'll still be done right. It'll be nice quality, you know, it'll look good. So for the most part, yeah, I will be doing it for practice and for fun. But for the meantime, I think the direction, I'm still debating it. The direction is a cheap show quality car done right, you know, where I can encourage other people to do the same. you know, because a lot of nowadays it's just like, you got to spend this X amount of money and this much to get this to do. Like, no, I feel like that's just not right. Like, let's allow the younger generation to like enter, to be able to do things like this, and then they like encourage, and yes, maybe later on start going into the more deeper costly stuff. But I think as you're exiting high school, back when I was leaving high school, I wanted a car and I wanted like this and that and this and that, but it was all frowned upon, and it's just like, I don't think that's right. I think like doing it right, just showing how it's done right, well put together, and just making it look good, I think that's the way to go, because it just kind of encourages more people to get into the community. It'll bring in better people, drain out those people that make the community just a shit, you know? So I think that's the direction I kind of want to go with this car. First, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it, to be honest. I just want to have fun with it, and I think I still do want to have fun with it, but like I said, I want it to be that cheap show quality car done right. That way people can get encouraged to do the same. With that being said, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.